Changing your payout method on Origin is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your payment information easily. Step 1. Log into your Origin account. Visit the Origin website or open the Origin client. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select payment methods. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Add or edit payment information. You will see your existing payout methods listed. To change your method, either click on Edit next to the current method or select Add new payment method to enter new details. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payment information, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Confirm button at the bottom of the page to ensure your new payout method is updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on Origin. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Origin's customer support for assistance.